and welcome back everybody. In today's video, if you're looking out how to block ads on your Samsung device, we are going to guide you through the process, a visual guide for that. So let's just dive right in. So for that, we can directly use the built-in ad blockers in the Samsung device, like enabling the private DNS. So for that, you can go to your phone settings, open it up, and look out for your network and internet, your connections, etc., and tap on it. And basically look out for the option called more connection settings and tap on it. Now once you tap on it here, you should be finding direct option called private DNS. So go ahead and find this option right there and tap on it. And once you select it up, you can select the very last option, which is private DNS provider hosting it. Once you select it, you just need to type in dns.adcard.com there and tap on save to apply the changes. And that will basically block the ads on your Samsung device. This is one of the method available. Apart from that, what you can do is you can do so for personalized ads as well. So open up settings and scroll down and find the option for Google. And within Google, what you may do is go to section for ads or services. And if you find the option for ads here, tap on it, which should be under privacy and security. Tap on it and look out for ad privacy here. And here you can just go over and manage the ads by, adding topics, app suggested ads, etc. You can tap on it and you can turn on this option and block certain topics or certain ads applications, like applications ads. And that's it. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you want to do it within the device. So you can try it out and let us know in the comments. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.